Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my video. Thank you for looking to Litecoin. You can see the crash of Litecoin from 230 to 160. These are nearly 70 points, yeah. And this is a huge move to the downside. As I predict in the past, the crash is here and the price is going to the downside. Let's see to the Bitcoin price to understand what happens here. You can see the Bitcoin price drops from 33,000 to nearly 43,000. These are nearly 10,000 points. Yeah, and I think at the top this was nearly 10%, and now people will not understand this and people not believe me. I also predict in the past that the price will go here to the downside, but the Moon Boys and some others on my channel not understand that we are here in the negative trend line and negative, how can I say, channel. Yeah, and that will happen is that we will retest this again, and it could happen that we fall to, I would say, not 4,000 here, but at the Bitcoin is realistic that we will go here to 5,000 or 6,000. Yeah, this is clear because how can I say, it can happen that we test this negative trend here line, but this chart is not full detailed. Yeah, we have not a negative price here at these levels. So if you want more, than come please in the Wolf exclusive club, then you can get here the end price of this. Then I can could exactly say in which direction we can go. Yeah, here at these levels, normally we have to stay here at these levels at 40,000 in the past. Yeah, that is not happened because the walls stretch this move here. Normally, this was the move here to the top side. They stretch this and break this negative trend line so that some of the moon boys and others thought, okay, we are in a bull run. So they still believe that that they are in a bull run, but they are not in a bull run. I think we are in a negative bear trend, and the bull run will come, but not this year. I think we will go here to the downside and test the levels of 10,000 and 5,000. Let's look to Litecoin. The price is going here from 240 to 160. These are nearly 80 points. Yeah? And that's the sad one, to see that the price is dropped so much. And you can see here very clear that we are in a bear market, and the price will come here to the downside. I think we will see the old levels. I would say we will see the $40 again and test this level again here. After that, we will see a wonderful bull run. And let's see. If you want more, come in the Wolf Exclusive Club. Then I can show you how we can um, take here off to the top side. So let's look again to Bitcoin price. Yeah, you can see we have here a retest of this movement, and here is wonderful to see here that we have here a channel, and the channel is broke at the moment. Let's look here more in detail what happens here. What construct we will see here. Important is to understand this move. Yeah, under, if you want to understand this move, then you have to zoom in and understand the structure, why the price is going here to the downside. And for us, it's here interesting to see that this was only a pre-step of the really crash that is coming. Yeah, this was only a pre step. The really crash is coming, and if you look here to this structure, then you can see the massive move here to the downside. I would say we will see here a sidewave movement, something like that. Maybe retest levels of 47,000, and then really crash, I would say, in direction of 40,000. Yeah, let's look something like that. We will see, and then you will see here at the 40,000 a sideways movement. Let's look. I would say 40,000. If you want exactly, then I would say 37,000, 38,000, or something like that. And then you will see here sideways movement and then downside. If you look to Litecoin, I would say this was only also the beginning, and now is important to understand what will happen next. Yeah, if you look here, then you see RSI is on the negative side, 25. Normally, these areas are buy areas, but at the moment, I would not risk here to make any actions. If you look to the whole construct here, then you could say, okay, this is our structure, left shoulder head and the right shoulder structure, and we have to go here to the top side. But now, no, I would say, because we are here also in the negative trend line to the downside, and you can see that we are not test this again. Yeah, that means if you look here, the negative trend line is exist, and if you look more in the future or to the future, then you could recognize that we already um, test here this level. So once this test level is broke to the downside, yeah, at the moment we stay here at these levels and make here a retest. Once this level fall to the downside, then we have a really problem. The price will drop to the next level. The next level is not so interesting for Moon Boys, because here you can see the price could drop from 180 to $100. And if you look more to the future, then you can recognize that we have a lot of plays to the downside. So the negative areas will not will go, yeah. But if you want more information and the end price, then come on the Wealth Exclusive Club, yeah. So have a nice day. If you have questions, please contact me, and let's see what's happening here at the Bitcoin price. And I'm sure this was only a pre-step in direction of negative. You can see today the RSI of Bitcoin is 11. That is not happening, yeah, in the history. Look, yeah, you can see 26, 26, and today is something like 11, and it's interesting to see. Have a nice day.